Breaking bread is a powerful thing. It's a powerful thing, you know what I mean? Because I feel like it really is nourishment for your soul, for your spirit, for your heart.
So, what are we making, and why is this dish so important?
Well, I'm making salmon croquettes because my mom and my sister and I used to be in the kitchen all the time. This was our favorite thing. And it's a link from my mom to my kids.
Yeah.
You know, when I cook it with my son and my daughter, I tell them stories about their grandmother so they can feel a little bit closer to her.
I, too, was very close to my grandmother, and she passed away from cancer.
So sorry. My mom, she passed away first thing Christmas morning. That was the first call I got. I was honestly just broken. And it's like, how am I going to evolve into this amazing woman if the most amazing woman that I know is not here to guide me? My sister and I both, we were afraid. As we got closer to 40, knowing what happened to my mother, we became afraid. My husband and I, we're doing what grown folks do. I literally put my hand right on it, and I knew exactly what it was. I even said, hey, stop what you're doing, feel this.
I do have a friend who was diagnosed with breast cancer. She felt insecure, and no matter how many times her partner told her, you're beautiful, she had to feel that for herself.
You have to. I wondered if I lost my breast, would he ever love me? Would he still think that I was attractive? I couldn't look at myself in the mirror for months. He gave me the strength and the love, and he would tell me, don't forget how strong you are.
We as Black women try to be so strong, and we need to reach out and ask for help. Just to hear and see what she's gone through, it's greatly inspired me. I have been talking to my daughter more about it. I'm telling her to be more proactive.
This is how we close that disparity gap. Cooking with my kids, it actually gives me the opportunity to talk to them about what I've gone through. My mother didn't tell me that she had cancer. We never got to have those conversations. My patient advocacy, it is for every woman that does not have the framework to continue to see their beauty beyond their challenges.
I just have to say, I have truly enjoyed speaking with each and every one of you.
For our culture specifically, we always have to be strong. That's why we don't have these conversations a lot of times, because that means we have to be vulnerable.
But there's nothing like gathering with love around a delicious meal.
Pass some sweet potatoes in it.
This is so good, I need more.
To learn more about cancer risks and resources, visit cancer.org/change the odds.